It's giving melodramatic Greek goddess. It's giving Mia Thermopolis. It's giving just your everyday regular look. Also, I just love a good fan. It just makes me feel like I am that bee. Because guess what? I am. All right, let's start off with moisturizing the lips because when I put makeup on, best believe I'm not gonna have dry lips. I hate that. I don't know, it's just like it's a weird feeling for me. And then I put also Vaseline on my eyebrows. I use a little spoolie. And sorry for the mess in my room. You could totally see through the mirror. I didn't do my laundry, but it's okay. Your girl has been busy. Then I go in with the rose water from the Heritage Store. I love this brand. It just hydrates my face. You can also use this in a bottle, like a spray bottle. It's just to go, like when you're feeling extra dry. And then I went in with the Cocoa and Kind Barrier Serum. My skin has been looking so even ever since I've been using the Cocoa and Kind. I do ice my under eyes because I wake up with puffy eyes before I do that. And then right after, I will go in with my MAC 24-hour Studio Fix Concealer. This is in the color NC40. I love, love, love. So I put it on my under eyes and under my nose and around my smile lines and also in the middle of my forehead just to brighten up those areas. Those are the areas where I want to brighten up the face the most because that's where everybody sees, that's where it just gives a little pop, Oh my God, guys, I don't know. As I'm doing this voiceover, I just got like this sudden urge to cough so much and I had to pause and I almost like choked. It was a whole thing, but I'm back. Anyways, yes, so blend, blend, blend. You can use a beauty blender or a brush. I've been kind of slowly moving towards brushes. It just looks so much better. I don't know why. And then I go in with my Morphe Continuous Misting Spray. This is my favorite setting spray. I don't know what. It just does the magic. And I go in with my fan to dry. And then I go in with my bronzer. This is the Fenty Beauty one. This is in the color Island Thing. I'm pretty sure. If not, I will put all the description below in the description box because I did do this, pre-record this video like 2 weeks ago. So when I have something, I just forget what it is. But I do remember this is my favorite blush. This is Bobbi Brown. They sent this to me and I'm almost done. I'm so devastated. Okay, I go to town with blush. I love blush. It just really wakens up the face. It's like, hey, I'm here and I'm ready to start my day. I love blush. And this is in the color Pink Flame by Bobbi Brown. I do use my ring finger and my middle finger as well just to tap it and make it look more blendy. And then I go in with my Grande Cosmetic Peptide Mascara. I love this brand. It's like one of my favorites mascaras besides Sky High Maybelline. This one and the Grande Cosmetic one are my favorite mascaras. I don't do false lashes. I do want to, but I have this thing with my eyes when I put something that doesn't belong. I start getting like teary eyes. So I do try, but I end up just using my regular lashes. I know somebody started, not somebody, so on TikTok that the girlies, what they be doing is they light a flame and then use the mascara curler, and apparently that helps to elongate and lift the lashes. So I'm going to try that in my next video. And I also used Fenty powder setting spray under my eyes to brighten up my face in the color Banana. And in the corner of my eyes, I just wanted something to really pop, like something to pop on my face. I am using Kaleido Cosmetics. I hope I'm saying it right, in the color Astrolight Flare. Love this. This just really like amped my look. I don't know. After I did this video, I went out and did my daily errands and I got a lot of compliments of what I'm using in the corner eyes. I'm like, this is just something that I just made up on the spot because I really don't add this to my everyday look, but now I am. And it is going to be used moving forward. And then I go in with lip liner. This is my favorite color, Spipes. Sorry I'm moving so much in this video. As I'm recording this, I am watching Gilmore Girls on the side as I'm doing this. So I just, you know, get super distracted as I'm looking at the show on my iPad. This is literally my fall show. If you guys have any other recommendations, today I'm getting tired of Gilmore Girls. I need something with more spice, like my lips. So yes, this is MAC lip liner in the color Spice. And then I go in with, this is my favorite lip gloss from MAC, and in the color, it is in the color Cultured. And this just is the finish touch. Like, obviously the top, I got this top in Forever 21 for 15 bucks. And you guys really think I'm gonna not have my hair set before this video? Of course, if you didn't see it, you would have thought I didn't do my hair before this video. I did. I just slept with these rods in my hair the whole night, and then I just fixed the front of my edges and I brushed out my hair. This is my favorite heatless curl tool. I am going to try other ones, but so far this has been the one that's working for me the most. I got this heatless Kitsch brand in, I think it was gifted, and I think it was from either TJ Maxx or Marshalls, but you can get these anywhere from Amazon or whatsoever. And then I brush out the curls. You know, you don't have to, but I do. I just want it to look like a more effortless look, if you know what I'm saying. And then I become obsessed with myself. This is your sign to when you are not feeling 100% your best. You don't feel good. The weather's crappy. You feel crappy. You feel gloomy. Just do your makeup and your hair. And I promise you 100%, 1,000%, that's not good math, but it's my math, you will feel a million times better. Forever 21, believe it or not, super cute, love it. It's giving, this top is giving Greek goddess vibes, and I'm here for it. I'm not upset, I'm here for it. The hair is looking shiny as ever. We feeling like a Greek goddess today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I dare you to choose you. Fall apart twice a day. I just